How to download YouTube videos on your iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can download your YouTube video on your iPhone. Now this also works for Android. So let's get started. First, open up your YouTube. Make sure that you're logged into your account. After you've just logged into your account, you can head over to your profile that's on the bottom right. And if you scroll down, you will see the downloads section. Now that's where the videos that you have downloaded will stay. So let us jump right into it. So after you open up a video that you want to download on YouTube, you will get a download option right below the description. So if you just tap on download, it will start downloading. Now, if you want to check out the settings of your downloads, just head over to your downloads, tap on the three dots on the top right and go to settings. Now here you will see the offline settings. Now you can check out the recommended downloads. You can check out download quality. Now you can just get medium, that is 360p, and the low 144p. And to get a higher resolution, you will need the premium version of YouTube. Now if you want to, you can get that too. Now you can go to delete downloads and delete everything altogether as well. So this is basically how you can download YouTube videos. And yeah, that is all for this video too. As you can see right here, the video is getting downloaded. Now after you've downloaded, yeah, that is basically it. You can watch it after you're offline. And yeah, thanks for watching.